Hello, I'm back again. This time I'm opening an Alpha Class sleeved trading card game of the Awakening. So Alpha Class has some really nice looking cards. So maybe maybe I'm going to get one of those. Let's see how we open it. Maybe here from the side. Looks like we definitely ruined this pack. So let's just do this. Here is the Alpha Awakening pack. Let's see if we can find something spicy, something nice. Maybe. Well, it's not that easy to open. I guess we can rip it here. Okay, let's have a look here. So we have a Mean Streak ready to brawl. I'm just going to turn on the light. I think it's better here. Morale boost. Full art card here. Moxie, preparing for battle. Moxie sidearm. Power overflowing. This looks quite nice. Metal barrage. Missile barrage. Oh, a holofoil energy absorption. And lastly, Morak on the hunt. Yeah, well, nice enough. Hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one. See you. Bye.